Hello everyone, welcome to English Communication Guru. Let's start with another segment of daily English conversation practice. Our topic for today is a conversation between a mother and her 5-year-old son. Today we learn English in this particular situation. वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें और अपने चैनल इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन गुरु को सब्सक्राइब करें. So here we go. Chiku, we are heading to the market.
Can I get a new toy, Mama?
You have a lot of toys already, Chiku.
But I want more toys.
How about we try something different today?
What do you mean, Mama?
Instead of toys, let's look for something that will help you learn and create.
Like what?
How about some books that spark your imagination?
Books, but I like toys more.
Books can be fun too, Chiku.
How is it possible, Mama?
Books can take you on exciting adventures.
Okay, let's try it.
Great! Let's go find some books that you love.
Can we get books about superheroes?
Of course, superheroes are always exciting.
Yay! I'm excited to read about them.
Superheroes inspire you to be brave and kind, just like them.
I want to be brave and kind.
Books help you become anything you want to be, Chiku.
Can we also get a coloring book?
Absolutely. What type of coloring book do you want to have?
Can we get a coloring book with animals?
Of course. Let's go find a coloring book with lots of animals.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, Chiku. I'm glad we found something that excites you.
Me too, Mama. Books and coloring sound like so much fun.
And they'll help you learn and grow too.
Really?
Yeah, you will grow up very soon.
Wow! I can't wait to start reading and coloring. Can we get some colorful paints and brushes?
Of course, let's find a set with lots of vibrant colors.
Thank you, Mama. You are the best.
I just want to see you happy and creative, Chiku.
I'm really excited to start painting.
And I'm excited to see what amazing artwork you will create.
I'll make something special for you, Mama.
That would be wonderful, Chiku. I'll cherish anything you create.
I love you, Mama.
Love you too, Chiku. Let's hurry to the market then, Chiku.
Yeah, let's go.
इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए कॉन्वर्सेशन को मेरी बात रिपीट करिए, साथ ही हर शब्द के प्रोनाउंसिएशन पर भी ध्यान दीजिए और जिस भी वर्ड की मीनिंग को समझने में आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही हो उसके लिए हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन देखिए जो कि हर एक पीस ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन के साथ में दिया हुआ है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो टिल द एंड। सी यू अगेन विद अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो। अंटिल देन हैप्पी लर्निंग इंग्लिश। बाय बाय।